Hello guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to take you through step by step on how to remove CPU fan. But first, we have our CPU here. You have to remove the casing, the screws at the back. After removing the screws, you slide it gently backwards and you lift the case for you to access the components of the system unit. Secondly, we have to locate our fan, system fan. As you can see, it's the top of the heatsink. We loosen the screws one by one, the 4 of them. Until it is loose, it is free. And then you have you just lift it gently. You lift it and then you detach the cable, the 3-pin cable from the motherboard gently. Then in case you wanted to replace, this is a step by step on how to replace. Maybe you are replacing for a new one or after cleaning it. And then first you have to get back the 3-pin in the motherboard. Like that, and then you place the fan on top of the heatsink accordingly so that they coincide with the screws, yes. Then you screw it firmly, make sure it is well screwed like that, the 4 of the screws. And then after that, you just close the casing, and that's all for today. Welcome for